Hi everyone, just to follow up on my last video, is just really showing the laser all put together now, and I can show you exactly what I got with everything. Got to say, it looks absolutely amazing, it really does. I keep going on, I know on the last video there when I rewatched it, I mentioned about the quality, and again I'm going to be mentioning the quality, no doubt. So what have I got for my book? The safety goggles, as I say, they're in a hard case. This thing there is the swivel table. It swivels around left to right, round in circles. The purpose of it is, I don't know, I'll think of something one day. There's your positioning bars. I bought an extra pack of them, so I don't really know if they come in packs of 2s or packs of 3s. But if I bought an extra pack, it shows there that it's obviously 3 to a pack. You get 3 with it, or you might get 2 with it, and I've got 2 extras. I don't know, but I think you get 3 with it, and there's 3 that I've purchased myself. This little beast there, that is the rotary attachment. As I mentioned before, you've got some jaws there, and there, and in here you've got some internal jaws, no, external, I don't know, internal jaws, external jaws, other jaws anyway, and you've got the big Allen key, and you've got your screws there. This here, which I can't get in focus, oh, never mind, is a Richard Zhang business card. Very impressive. We've got our hex bolts here. Now, if you've bought anything, or you're considering to buy anything extra, like the riser stand, you will need some more M6 by 10mm. It's going to be worth getting a little pack of them. You can pick them up for £5 from Amazon for 20 of them. So it's not a great deal of money, and you'll find there that you have extras as well. Got the Allen bolts, and you've got the 16-inch ruler. I think it's 16-inch, 600mm ruler you've got there. You've got your foot pedal there, which I've put up here, and you've got your foot switch, your up and down there. That brings that up and down. I've got the motor on the top. That came with the motor, and I paid a little bit extra for that. Wasn't a great deal of money, but I did pay extra for it. In my opinion, it's worth having. It really is. Now, this little thing here is the 2D plate. It will, God, sunshine, so it will nudge it forward and backwards, as well as left and right, or left and right, forward and backwards. It only does it by very small increments, and it's more for when you just can't seem to get that perfect positioning place. That there will help you. For the price of it, I would say definitely add that to your list. it is going to be so useful. This thing here is the riser bed. That's 200 millimeters. It's to bring your jobs up 200 millimeters. I suppose you'd be able to get better focus on it and everything like that, but if you've got any misshapen things that's hanging over or anything, again, it's going to be one of those things that you will find a use for. Of that there's no doubt. This thing here is there's a card holder, a metal card holder. You have your two clamps, one there and one there. But you can't see this now. Got one there and one there. And you've got your knob there, and that closes these jaws together. Those two there clamp the job down, that there closes the jaws to give you a secure fit. I got a free set of cards from Richard Zhang at OMG Lasers. Thank you, Richard. I also purchased 300 extra business cards. The reason for me purchasing those business cards, I'm only a hobbyist at the end of the day, and I don't know 300 people in business that will want business cards. What I'm using them for is to do test engravings, test pieces. So I've really got myself 600, if you use both sides, testing surfaces. Test different powers, different things on them. I've mentioned the bars to you. Now, putting it together was very easy. There's 4 bolts, one in each corner, and there's a fin on the other side there. Put the fin flush against the far edge, and you know that you've got your mast the right way round. Bolt them in, and then get ready to put the laser arm into place. Now the laser arm is held together, or is secured to it I should say, by 4 hex bolts. There and there. Now these are a bit awkward to get in place if you're anything like me. Like me, I shake like a good one, and it was difficult for me to put them into place. The main reason being is you screw them into sliders, little mini sliders, and we all know that those little mini sliders do not stay in one place, or at least it didn't with me. I'd have a little twitch and next minute I'd hear dink and the sliders reach the end. But again, it just a little bit of playing around with it, you finally get it. I hate using the phrase, if I can do it, anybody can do it. But I do believe that to be the case, you know, on this particular turn. I really do. So there's also, I don't know if you can see there, where's my finger? There, I was looking in the wrong place. Right, up there and the same on the other side there, you will find two blue lines. Those lines are so you can line up the laser arm. So once you've got your 4 bolts in, you can move this left or right, and you line it up so the two blue lines are in line with the base of it, and then you can tighten it up. In theory, that should then be in the right place. Now, the base plate itself is 250 by 250. The engravable area, sorry, is 250 by 250, and it's permeated with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100 holes. So 10 that way, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 10. No, 11 that way. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right, it's 10 that way and 11 by that way. Each hole is threaded. That enables you to put your M6 bolts through and to secure your positioning bar in place. Like I said, every single one of them is threaded, which is absolutely fantastic. We've got your EasyCAD 2 software here. I've not loaded it up yet because I don't know how, but I soon will. Now, an important thing, I think anyway, is making sure that your base is level. Hence, God, Bennett, this is naff. There. So the plate is level. Hopefully that will mean that's level. There we go, and it is. So we know that the arm is level to the base. Getting the base level, when I first put it on the table, there was a rocking to it. That's more down to my table than it is down to the base plate. The plate comes on 3 decent sized legs, and I had the rocking noise, sort of going like that way. What I ended up having to do, I've put 5 business cards here, and I've put probably double that amount in that corner there. That way I've managed to get the whole thing squared off. I think that is more to do with the unevenness of the table, my table, that I have the laser sat upon, than the laser bed itself. I don't think the laser bed is twisted in any way, shape or form. That's just putting it out there that I have actually used that to level mine up, to get rid of the inaccuracies in my table. Now I also got $750 of these brass coins. Got 750 of them. I've got a knurled edge. Do you know this is not good today? They've got a knurled edge to them. I also got these. I purchased 55 dog tags. Each one's individually wrapped and they actually weigh a decent bit. So they seem to be good quality. That's really all I've got to say about it all today. It is absolutely amazing bit of kit. Let me show you it actually. Let's put that on again. Right, let me show this working. It is going up. Marvellous. Take care everyone. Bye.